to the second video of learning how to read and write Arabic. In this video, we are going to start with the easiest letter in the group of the lazy letter. It's the letter D. And as we said earlier, the lazy letters are the letters that they don't join from the left side, they only join from the right side. And they don't change their shape at all at the beginning, middle, and end of a word. First, let's agree on the meaning of Walt and Wolf. Walt is what I am learning today, and Wolf is what I am looking for. What I am learning today is to recognize the shape and the sound of the letter D, to learn the letter with short and long vowels, how to read it with short and long vowels, and to learn how to recognize the shape of the letter D at the beginning, middle, and the end of the word. What I'm looking for is, at the end of this video, I need to know how to circle the letter D inside a word, how to find it and circle it. And if I have a word that is missing the letter D, I need to know how to write it with the correct shape and vowel. First, let's practice how to write the letter D. To practice, you need a piece of paper and a pen, and it would be great if this piece of paper is lined. So let's practice first. One more time. And again. Keep on practicing till you are confident how to write the letter D. In Arabic language, we have 6 vowels. 3 of them are short and 3 of them are long vowels. And as we said in the earlier video, that the short vowels come on the top of the letter and the long vowels come after the letter. The 3 short vowels are Fatha, and we call it A. The sound of it is short A. Let's say that X is the letter, A comes on top of the letter. The second vowel is Dhamma, and the sound of it is U. The third vowel is Kasra, and the sound of it is E. And if you notice that Kasra comes always under the letter. The 3 long vowels are A, and it comes after the letter, U, after the letter as well, and this one is long E, and they look like letters, they don't look like the short vowels. Now let's read the letter D with the short and long vowels. So D with Fatha, we call it D. D. D with Dhamma, we call it Du. Du. D with Kasra, we call it Ti. Ti. Now, D with the long vowel A, Da. D with the long vowel U, Du. D with the long vowel E, Di. Now, can you try to read by yourself? D. Well done. Du. Di. Da. Du. Di. First, let me show you how the letter D looks like inside a word, at the beginning of the word, middle and end. And if you notice, the beginning of a word is from right to left, because in Arabic we read from right to left. Now let's start and look at the letter D at the beginning of a word. The X, it means that the letter is not joining. So at the beginning, of course, we will have an X because it's at the beginning of the word and it's not joining any other letter. And on the left side, I have X because they never join any letter after. So this is how it looks like at the beginning of a word with the vowel U, not joining from any side. In the middle of the word, the letter D could be written in 2 ways. either not joining from the right side or joining from the right side. It depends on the letter that comes before the letter D. If the letter that comes before the letter D is a lazy letter, D is not going to join. Like in this word, do, da. If the letter that comes before the letter D is a friendly letter, like here the letter ma, the letter D is going to join. And this word is Medina. And Medina, it means a city. Now, one more thing I want to explain about the word Medina is, if you notice at the beginning of the word, da comes with the vowel u, do. In this word do da comes either with the long vowel u, do, or the short vowel a, da. In the word Medina, da comes with the long vowel e, and it's basically written E like this. And the reason we wrote E in Medina, this shape, is because E is a friendly vowel. And friendly, it means it can change its shape when it joins with another letter at the beginning, middle, and end of a word. At the end of a word, da also can be not joined if I have here a lazy letter, like in the word w, rude, or it can come joined if there is a friendly letter here, like the word walad. Now, I prepared for you a small exercise to find the letter da inside words. There are 6 words here for you. I want you to copy them on a piece of paper from right to left, and then I want you to look for the letter da with the vowel and circle it. For example, in this word, dar, and of course you don't have to really know how to read it because we only know the letter da, but in this activity the only thing we need to do is to find the letter da. So here I have the letter da with the long vowel a, so I need to circle only this one. Can you try to do the rest by yourself? Now let's see if your answers were correct. In this word, I have the letter da with the vowel u, do, and letter da with the short vowel a, which is fatha, da. So I have do and da. In this word, I have da with E. And do you remember when I explained for you E and I told you why it's written like this? Because it's a friendly letter and can change the shape. There's another one here in this word also as well. I hope you found it. In this word, the short one, dub, we have da with u. And in the last one, we have da with the vowel a. So this is how we can find the letter da inside a word. So have a look at the answers and compare them with yours. In this exercise, we are going to do something looks like spelling. On the top, you have the letter da with the vowel written in red. You have the letter da with the vowel u, do, di, da, and do. And you are going to fill in the blank inside these words with the correct letter da and the correct vowel. I'm going to help you with the first one to show you what do we need to do. For example, the first one is da, ja, ja. So the missing letter is just da. So which one you need to fill in the blank? This one. So you need to write here da. Did you get it? Now bring a piece of paper and copy the words with the blank and then get ready to do the spelling. The first one is da, ja, ja. Da, ja, ja. The second one, dub, dub. At the end of the word, that's fine not to say any vowel. Dub, du. So which one of the letters above, the red ones, you should fill in the blank here? Du, dub. Next one, dar, dar. So here you need to write da. Which one is da? Next one, do, ri, do, do, ri. Next, da, ira, da, ira. Last one, ha, di, qa, ha, di, qa. Now, are you ready to see the answers? Now, let's read the answers. The first one was da, ja, ja. So the missing one was da. Next one, dub, dub. So the missing one was du. Dar, da. Du, ri, du. Da, ira, da. Ha, di, qa, di. Last exercise for the letter da, we are going to put the letter da with the vowels together to read words. They don't have any meanings, but it will help us to practice reading. Da, du, di. Da, du, di. Now, can you try to read this word by yourself? Well done. Da, da. Da, do. Can you try to read this one by yourself? Do, di. Do, di. Da, do. Di, da. See, from only the letter da, we were able to read today 6 words. Well done. Now, next letter is going to be the letter the. So click on the next video to learn the second letter.